days to Christmas celebration and 9 days to New Year, residents of Benin City they find am difficult to meet their needs as prices of major food items don dey high across major markets for the state. Our tori person Ifunanya Okweze wey carry waka enter Oba Market and Mission Road Market for Oredo local government area of the state to gather informate for the price of food items.
Na so pepper, tomatoes, special before by this time when the season wey harmattan go dey, if you buy tomatoes e dey cheap. But now e no dey too dey cheap like that o. E no even be like say na season we dey at all. The market e no even dey sweet o. Get as e be for market.
One rubber of tomatoes, how much? Like that rubber we did there.
Like this rubber now,
yes.
Now soft, no be strong. While this one big now we dey sell am 600.
How much did it be before?
Before, as na season like this, we dey sell am 300. Say na like this kind season, everywhere go tomatoes, harmattan go dey. But now as I dey sell am now na 600 I dey sell am last. The rubber,
that basket, how much?
na 3,000.
They know the price.
No,
well,
last.
Buy if I say I will give you 2,500.
No, na 3,000.
Okay, I'll give you 2,600.
2,950 I no sell.
How much new money I get?
If you like maybe new money, old money or na the same. Now old money even good part new money. If I sell am like that, how much I take buy basket? I buy basket.
How much come be basket?
I fit a basket as me take buy am. I buy am for 30,000. How many dey inside?
So I want to do for this Christmas now.
No let me say. Now we dey talk everywhere get better the money food. E dey tear money e no dey. Na mileage everything dey. But na as I dey sell am last na 3,000.
Why guys no job for this December?
The road is not good now, and the fuel, the increment of the fuel.
Okay, how customers they feel when you tell them the price?
They are not feeling good at all. They are feeling very bad because how can somebody come to the market, you go hold like 1,500, she want to buy a bottle of rice, hotel and say at 3,500, 3,000 for a bottle of rice. It's not fair now. The government should help us. Even mostly the roads, even like the drivers where they carry the goods. At times they will spend 1 week, 2 weeks on the roads because there's bad roads. If road good now, at least if person buy from that side now, the next day come, the price will still increase, it reduce. Because the road is not good and the increment of the fuel.
Okay, last one. Some people go to say if they come market today, they'll buy something 3,500. Say if they come tomorrow again, if you go 4,000, I true with that one.
Now so now because road not good now because that's where they come from. Somebody that is driver where they come from road. For the past 1 week, he get roads. All the expenses, you go come eat, buy diesel, do everything. Maybe at the end of the day, maybe you want to use diesel of 10,000 before take carry goods come. Because the road were not good now, you go come increase to 15,000 for the fuel. So you have to go put up for the market where you carry now.
Okay, me want buy this rice now. How much you take sell for me last? This bag.
Bag na 55,000 now.
No, I want give you 50,000.
They get one of 50,000.
No, now this one me want buy 50,000.
No, you can't get this time 50,000. They are one of 50,000, but not this time.
This country we don't know where would they go, whether would they come or would they go. Now time go tell. Who if you buy things for this Christmas?
Why not? Now today we don't do Christmas. If we know, if we any IB, they buy.
But how the price just be?
Normally, it's always like that. If we do Christmas, things they add money, and this Christmas everything add money, and yet money no day. Case many drinks case. No one drinks case. Many drinks case. Life now be the most important. Who they are alive, Christmas still day tomorrow. So who they are alive, may they continue to pray to God. God go answer everybody prayer.
They just they talk onion not cheap now because before last 2 years, 3 years, if onions high, you know they pass like that kind 50,000, 40,000. But now
for basket
for bag
for
full bag yes. But now the full bag is 120, the biggest bag. Then the medium bag 110, the small bag 100,000. So it's still expensive. You understand? So now we are selling this 10,000 last, this 7,000. This money 15,000, this 6,000, 6,500. You know, say it depends on the price be. We are not taking one hand to sell market. You understand? So we are selling that big basket. Okay. 60,000
okay.
for money.
That big one, how much?
60,000. Okay. But it's 55 last.
Okay. But the medium, cheap.
No, not even mouth. You understand? Many who no enter market. They have right to tell people rumors, you understand?
Okay, how much
they are not telling 7,000, but we are selling 6,500.
Okay, if we give you 6,000, you don't give us?
No, I feel give you as a person like about money 6,500, 7,000 we are selling.
Okay, what do you make things there now? What do you cost?
For onions now, many for onions there, where they say they plant onions, they did not plant it this year, many, because of problem these bandits, you understand? So they are disturbing the farmers. Instead of you to go farm, to go and kidnap you, kill you. How can you go the farm?
At all, you know. Go.
You cannot go the farm. But even you go the farm, then they stole you. Then your brothers, your family, they don't enter Wahala. They don't enter trouble. That's what they face. Many places like 400 places where they farm onions. Now you know past that kind, 35, 40 places where they do them. You understand? But not be anything cause many are talking about diesel is the one that costs. No, or the onions. You know today as the day before. You understand? That's what make onions dear, expensive now this year.
We don't work enter around market. We don't go look the price of meat. We don't go look the price of rice. We don't go look the price of beans, the price of drink, and different commodity for the market. We don't say the market no differently. As it be say, everybody don't talk say things to go up, and they don't know how the Christmas go be. But some say, more take the Christmas as we see them, as another Christmas go come. But you know, say we for TMC, as we dey do street hands, we go give you how it dey be. Make una no forget, say Christmas, now wetin go come and go. Make we no kill ourselves about am, because more Christmas day. Make una no forget, say as we see am, na so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. For Mobile Market Benin City, Ifunanya Okweze, TMC TV News.